Hello students, welcome to today's video classroom. Subject Computer Science, paper Database Management System. Today topic relationship types. In previous video we have studied what is entity relationship model, what is entity type. We have studied that entity relationship model is a diagrammatical representation of various concepts of an organization. It also represents the relationship among the concepts. Here, what is the relationship? So, generally, relationship is a set of meaningful association among the entities, a meaningful associations among the entity types. So, for example, a student joined in a course. A student joined in a course. A student is an entity type. Course is an entity type. Here, student joined in a course. So the word joined describes the what is the functionality of the student, what is the functionality of the course. That means the student will join in a course, the course has a many students. That means what is the functionality of the student in the one of the functionality of the student is the student has to choose a particular course and has to join in a college in that course. ఇక్కడ రిలేషన్షిప్ అనేది ఏం డిస్క్రైబ్ చేస్తుంది, ఆ ఎంటిటీ యొక్క ఫంక్షనాలిటీ ఏంది, వన్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫంక్షనాలిటీని డిస్క్రైబ్ చేస్తుంది. సో ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఏ టీచర్ టీచర్స్ ఏ క్లాస్. Teacher teaches a class. A teacher is an entity, class is an entity, teaches is a association among these two things. Here one of the functionality of the teacher is as to teach some classes. That means the relationship type is a name. This describes the function of the entity. Okay, here a relationships generally a verb. Relationships are verb. So for example, joined, teaches, a department has, stop, has. Okay, so like this the relationships are named using a verb. Okay, a relationship occurrence is uniquely identifiable association that includes one occurrence from each participant entity. A relationship occurrence means, so for example, department, if you take BA department, BSc department, BCom department, if you take some stop, some A is there, some stop B is there, some stop C is there. So A is a BCom department, some C is a BSc department, BA is a B department, B is a BA department. So this is the relationship occurrence. The relationship occurrence is the individual association of the participating entities, entity instances of the participating entity types. So these are the relationship occurrence. Okay, so generally in ER diagram, entity relationship diagram, the relationship is represented with a diamond symbol. ఈ సింబల్ తోటి రిప్రజెంటేషన్ జరుగుతుంది. And we have to label with the name of the relationship. What is the name of the has, join, bar, like that. Verb forms ఎక్కువగా దీంట్లో ఉంటాయి. Okay, so that is a relationship. So for example, consider a relationship type called as between department and staff entities. Here each occurrence of a relationship include one department entity occurrence and one staff entity occurrence. How we are representing department, DEPT, department have a relationship with the staff. So here DEPT is an entity, it is represented with the rectangle symbol. Staff is an entity type, it is represented with the rectangle symbol. So there is an association between these two entities. We have to represent this diamond symbol and connected with the entity types. So this is a relationship types. So here we have the degree of relationship. So that is the degree of relationship describes number of entities participated in a relationship. number of entities participated in a relationship. That describes the degree of a relationship. The number of entities involved in a particular relationship is called as degree of relationship. Here generally in ER model you have identified three types of 3 degrees, up to 3 degrees. That means unary, binary, ternary. Unary relationship, binary relationship, ternary relationship. So degree 1, degree 2, degree 3. So automatically అర్థమైపోతుంది. Degree 1 means only one entity is there, degree 2 means 2 entities are there, degree 3 means 3 entities. Okay, now see unary. So the unary relationship is also called as a recursive relationship. Okay. A relationship of degree 1, a relationship of degree 1 is called as a unary relationship. The unary relationship is also called as a recursive relationship. So what do you mean by recursive? We already discussed in the recursive function. What do you mean by recursive function? If a function calls itself, that is called as a recursive function. Here what do you mean by recursive relationship? If an entity have a relationship with its own entity, an entity have a relationship with own, that is called as a recursive relationship. The relationship is unary relationship if association is maintained with same entity type. A relationship is a unary relationship if association is maintained with the same entity type. That is called as a recursive entity type relationship or unary relationship. For example, if you take our college, all the staff members including the principal is also a one of the staff member. So these all the staff are supervised by the another staff. So for example, the staff entity type participates twice in a relationship. A staff supervises another staff. For example, if you take an organization, a manager supervises remaining staff members. Manager is also one staff member. So at that time we will represent like this. The staff is an entity and he supervises another the same. So here this is a relationship. Supervise is a relationship. So as entity have a relationship in its own, so it is called as a recursive relationship or unary relationship or degree 1 relationship. Next, binary relationship. Automatically you can say that a relationship of degree 2 is called as a binary relationship. The binary relationship, the binary relationship the relationship is binary relationship if association is maintained between two entity types. రెండు ఎంటిటీ టైప్ మధ్యన రిలేషన్షిప్ ఉంటే దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ ఎస్ ఎ బైనరీ రిలేషన్షిప్. సో ప్రీవియస్ యూ ఆర్ టేకెన్ ఎన్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, డిపార్ట్మెంట్ హ్యాస్ మెనీ స్టాఫ్ మెంబర్స్, ఈ స్టాఫ్ మెంబర్ బిలాంగ్స్ టు ఏ డిపార్ట్మెంట్. సో దెర్ ఈస్ ఎ binary relationship between department and staff because there are only two entities participated in the relationship. This is a binary relationship. Next, coming to ternary relationship. So automatically you can say that ternary relationship means the degree 3 is known as a ternary relationship. The relationship is ternary relationship if association is maintained among three entities. The association is maintained among three entities, that is ternary relationship. So for example, if you take in hospitals, a patient goes to a doctor and a doctor prescribes medicines to patient. See here one word, a doctor prescribes medicines to a patient. Doctor prescribes medicines to a patient. So here if you take one medicine is there, the medical shop owner has to maintain the data, this medicine sold to which patient, which doctor prescribed this medicine for this patient. Here medicine is an entity, doctor is an entity, patient is an entity. Here there are the three entities. So if there is no doctor, if there is no doctor, we cannot give the you cannot say that it is a prescribed medicines. సో జనరల్గా పేషెంట్స్ మెడికల్ షాప్కి వస్తారు, ఎవరో ఒకటి వస్తారు, మెడిసిన్ కావాలని తీసుకుంటారు, బట్ ఇట్ ఇస్ నాట్ ఎ ప్రిస్క్రైబ్డ్ మెడిసిన్, ఓన్గా తీసుకున్నాడు. సో వెన్ దెర్ ఈస్ ద రిలేషన్షిప్ ప్రిస్క్రైబ్స్, దెర్ మస్ట్ బి అ డాక్టర్ హ్యాస్ టు ఇన్వాల్వ్డ్, పేషెంట్ హ్యాస్ టు ఇన్వాల్వ్డ్, మెడిసిన్స్. ఓన్లీ డాక్టర్ ప్రిస్క్రైబ్ ద మెడిసిన్ టు హూమ్, పేషెంట్స్కి. సో పేషెంట్ అంటే డాక్టర్ పేషెంట్ ఉన్నాడంటే ఖచ్చితంగా ప్రిస్క్రైబ్ వర్డ్ వచ్చిందంటే ఖచ్చితంగా 3 entities అనేది ఇన్వాల్వ్మెంట్ అవుతుంది. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ ఏ దిస్ ternary relationship. Here prescribe is a relationship among doctor, patient and medicine entity types. So this is called as a ternary relationship. Simply, degree of relationship means association among the entity types. Okay, it is represented with the diamond symbol. Okay, so generally the relationships have the verbs. Okay, next, degree of relationships. Degree of relationships describes number of entities involved in a relationship. Okay, you can have the unary, binary, ternary. A relationship of degree 1 is called as a unary relationship. A relationship is called as a unary relationship if association is maintained with the same entity. Simple. Word చూడండి, ఈజీ గుర్తుంటుంది. A relationship is a unary relationship if association is maintained with the same entity type. Next, binary. A relationship of degree 2 is called as a binary relationship. A relationship is binary relationship if association is maintained between 2 entities. Next, ternary. The relationship the degree 3 is called as a ternary relationship. A relationship is ternary if the association maintained among 3 entity types. So this is a relationship types. Okay, students.